Okay, so in this video, we're going to show you how to basically import a template. So first steps first is open your Chief Architect, however you have to open it, where we have mine open. And then you're going to go to Open Plan. You'll go to your Downloads folder because you've already downloaded it via email. You see here I have 102321 template. I'm going to hit Open. It's going to open my template. Now, in order for me to save this so that it automatically opens every time I open the program, what we're going to do is hit File, Templates, Save as Template, uncheck Delete All. You do not want any of these boxes checked. And then where it says Options down here, Set Template as Default for Imperial Plans, check Yes. Hit OK. It's going to go ahead and ask you to save it in a folder. It'll probably take you to a default folder. That's fine. You could save it in there. And then just name it. So I'm calling mine 102321 template. I'm going to hit Save. Yes. So now it's going to go ahead and save it. And it'll save it again, or it'll open it up here again. We can go ahead and click out of both of these. X and X. When we go to File, New Plan, it's going to open that 102321 template. And it's ready to go. You're all set for drawing. And that's this video.